rude.
You can pretend to be looking.
Moco-chan, where's our phone?
It doesn't say check the electric signs. No. Oh. Moco-chan, maybe we shouldn't go backwards. No. What's going on? Moco-chan, just go forwards. You don't want to be stuck in between, right? Yeah. This isn't the place to sneeze right now, Moco-chan. I'm stuck. I need to sneeze. Okay, Moco-chan, forward. This is backwards. This is backwards. This is backwards, Moco-chan. Can we go forward? Can we go forward? Why is he standing there? You're going backwards, Moco-chan, and Fuwamoco says to go forward. Which way is forward? I won't even go. Moco-chan, just go. I can't figure it out. What's forward? Go, Moco-chan. Which way is forward? Just go. No, I think he's not that way. I'm pretty sure he's not that way. Let me go. Moco-chan, he's not that way. I can't see anything. He's not that way. He's not that way. Open. It's locked. I can't tell. Uh-oh. I have a bad feeling. Open it. I can't open it. Moco-chan, I need to sneeze again. Open the door, Moco-chan. What the heck? Hi. Wow. Okay. Close the door on me. Open up. Oh. What? I think we're in trouble. Ouch. Yeah. Oh, he's shining a flashlight on us. No photos. No censored. No. That's rude. You can pretend to be looking.
Moco-chan, where's our phone?
We're gonna take photos of you. Push up. Why don't we stop this and we can just take a photo together? That's a better idea, right? How do we get him to stop? Give him a little bit of a whack on the head there. Have a good day, I guess. Is that it? I just continue going. I guess. Is it a puzzle? 894. Go that way. Maybe we should go that way and then that way and then that way. Stop. 1. Stop. 2. That's the 3. Okay, no, Moco-chan. What? No, we're good. 4. 5. 6. 7. 8. Are we good now? 9. Go ahead. It won't open. Even after you sneezed all that much. Akira. Should we sit down? Somebody's going. Oi! Akira! Don't open it! Don't open it! Don't sit. Let's sit. No one's here. No, we're not here. No. 聞こえないふりします。What am I supposed to do then? Hi. What am I supposed to do? Don't panic, read the signs. It says don't open it. Done. Let's go back? No, let's continue down. Maybe we don't open open the door for him, but we open the door for ourselves. Let's go check it out, Moco-chan. Hi. I think I won't open the door. Oh, it's getting louder. I don't like that. We're not opening the door. We're just gonna go check it out. Inayo? Inayo? No. Okay, let's open the door behind us, Moco-chan. I'm so sorry. We had to open the door. Oh, ごめん、今忙しいの。いない。We're not. No. Hi. Let's open this door. This door? Yeah. Oh. What shall we do? Oh. Oh. He's gone. Oh, yeah. Somebody else helped him out, so it's okay. I'm gonna go. I'm gonna run. I'm gonna run. Wait. Not this again. If you get scared, look at the signs. What am I supposed to do now? Hi. This one is open. Now what do I do though? Don't run. What am I? Just be brave. Hi. Huh? Is this good? Is it good? What does the sign say? Hachiman. Platform. This is my stop. Orimasu. Oh,